So here we have the Neewer RGB LED light. Been waiting for a while for this to come. You're getting it to see it for the first time, as am I. I can't get to the other side, one sec. Okay, I promise I've not opened it yet. I expect the lights to be shining through.
3, 2,
Excited?
1.
Ta-da! So obviously on the top we've got paperwork, some warranty thing, some instruction manuals, and the lights themselves. So these, I think there was 18.5 inches. So that's the first panel. Let's see what I've got here. I'm going to put this in a different position so I can view it better. Easy. Okay. Took this out as well, so this is the bit. There was some concerns by other people that these might break over time, but it does feel pretty solid. Time will tell, and I'll do another review on it after I've had the unit for a while. Battery ports, power button, and then these are the different modes and timer that you can change. These look like they could hold some extra bits, maybe microphones. So in the box you get 2 of these units. The reason why I like this is because I've not got a lot of room to work. I haven't got room for soft boxes, and this automatically comes with diffuser. I haven't turned this on yet, but it's still quite bright. It looks like it's actually illuminated now, but it isn't. I'll take the rest of the packaging out of the box just to show how it's packaged, in case you're one of these people like me who get overexcited about buying something, pull it all out of the packaging and then doesn't remember how it goes back together. So this is for myself and anybody else like me. So anyway, stands. That's another one of the lights holders that holds it to the stand. And then we have some little bits. So power adapter, the actual power bit. Then we have another stand. I'm going to leave that one in there for now. Here, the other back of the same things. I've not come across a remote yet. I'll have a dig around for that in a bit and see if I can find it. So I like explaining whether this is simple for people who are disabled, who have issues with the mobility or with dexterity. So I'm setting this up as easy as I can for myself, but also to show if it's easy for somebody else to do. So let me put it up. We have a stand, we have power cable, and we have I don't know what you call these, are these transformers? I'm not sure. Stand, yeah, the knob's quite easy to turn. You just pull. Maybe I should have read the instructions before doing this. Right, that won't help having that one there. Yeah, that's simple enough. That pulls down, so that'll become your tripod base. With the knobs there, yeah, quite easy to turn, quite decent sized, over tightened. Yeah, I do like these knobs because these really cause me problems when they're fiddly. So it's really difficult to get a shot of this in my room. I've got space available, but hopefully you can see that. Okay, so that's the tripod area, and it goes up. And then there is controls, same turned up ones, and then that's where the light sits. So I just wanted to be a bit killer and just give you an idea about how these can look. Because obviously a lot of people want the lighting above the person as well. That's as high as the tripod will allow me to film. So it's pretty much touching the ceiling. First off, let's get the lighting. Okay, so just wanted to bring you in on this a little bit, just give you an idea what it is. Like it's got a bit of spring in there, so there's some tension for your light. This little thing unscrews, and then there's a thread on there, so you can use it for other things other than just this. But yeah, to take this off you need to open it all the way. and yeah, it comes off that way. So my suggestion is put this on the light and then put the light on the stand. So this is it set up. It seems solid enough. It doesn't feel like it's going to go anywhere. It starts now lay flat, so the light bit is facing downwards. Yeah, I share the same concerns with the mount on the back of the product. To actually hold the weight of the light like that for a period of time, I'd be a bit concerned that it will snap eventually. I did take out the Amazon accidental damage for 3 years, so you know, if it snaps I'll come back to you and let you know. I'm going to get it plugged in and see what it looks like when it's on. Fibro brain once again. Just went to download the app, then realised you can just plug it in and turn it on at the back. So I'm going to do that first, just so I can get this filming wrapped up. Then I'll go away, set up the app, set up the other light, and then show you how it works from that app later time. So yeah, it's off now. There's no lights in the room at all. And I'm just going to turn. There we go. That's your first sight of the light. That's like a purple colour, so I wonder if you flip it the other way. Maybe I should have read it first then. Okay, so I'm just going to turn it around so you can have a look at the back. I'm just going to move you in. So this is the first time I'm looking at it, first time you're looking at it. Right, okay, so the switch at the top to turn it to battery mode. This is the power mode. These are your battery slots. These are the little thread things I was talking about. I'm sure you'll be able to attach that to something at a later date. What they've got out at the minute I don't know, but we'll figure it out. So we're going, right, we've got mode. Should have had this first, shouldn't I really? Because I'm not really sure what I'm doing. Oh, okay, we've got some kind of flashing going on. Let's take the mode off and see if we can just... okay, it's asking for Bluetooth connection. I need to go away and have a look at what these are for.